Hi and welcome to another video from the Linux Shed. Today we're going to go over snapshots. In this video we are going to go over how to create live snapshots for your virtual machines and why and when it's a good idea to create a snapshot. So why should we create a snapshot? If you're about to update or upgrade Linux, or if you or your Linux or any virtual machine, if you're about to install some software, or if you're testing software or looking to deploy some software, you're not sure if it's going to be a fit for you, or even if you're updating configuration files or you're doing a lot of stuff within your virtual machines and you've done so much and you're not sure what you've actually done and how to go back and get it back to how it was. Live snapshots are a really good idea for this. So we'll do a quick example of creating a snapshot and showing you how a snapshot works within this Ubuntu server. First thing we'll do, we'll log into the server, and then we're going to create, what we're going to do in this example is we're just going to upgrade. We're going to upgrade Linux. So we're just going to run sudo apt upgrade update and then upgrade. But the first thing we'll do, we'll do the upgrade first just to show you that we do need some updates. So it says that we've got 65 packages here that need upgrading. Clear the screen. So what we're going to do before we upgrade them packages, we'll do a snapshot. So on the left hand side of on Proxmox, you've got snapshots for your virtual machine, and then you've got take snapshot just here. Dead simple. So if we're gonna name the snapshot before update, and then take snapshot. Now, depending how big your virtual machine is and how much memory it's taking up, this will depend on how quick your snapshot will take to do. Normally, it's very quick, within 10, 15, 20 seconds for small machines. So that's done. It says task OK, so we can close that. And as you see here, we've got our snapshot. So now we've got that snapshot, we can be we can be happy that we're ready to do the upgrade, and then if it causes a problem, we can roll back. Now, just to let you know, snapshots are not backups. So if something drastically happens to your machine a week, 2 weeks ago, it's recommended you have backups more than snapshots. Snapshots are more importantly for if you've just done a task and it's caused a problem, you can go back. So every time you do some task on your virtual machine, it's always a good idea to take a snapshot. So we'll go back to the virtual machine and we'll see we've got the 65 updates that need doing. So I'm going to run sudo apt update, and I'm going to apt upgrade, yes. So we'll start these updates now. This will take me probably 5-10 minutes, so I'll pause the machine now and come back to when it's ready to carry on. Right, we're nearly at the end there of the upgrade, so hopefully it'll take another 30 seconds or so. So once the upgrade is complete, we can see that everything's working fine, or say that it's not working fine, say that you've all of a sudden you can't get the internet, or there's an issue there. We can then roll back that snapshot while it's live. So it's nearly complete. Right, that's now complete. So we clear the screen. Oh, wait for it to finish updating. Clear the screen. So as we do sudo apt update now, you should see we've got no updates pending, and there's nothing there. It's all up to date. But now, say like we said a minute ago, it causes an issue. We can no longer do something that we should be able to do. What we can do is revert back, so we can roll back. So we can click on the last snapshot we made, which was this one. Click roll back. Click yes. And depending again how large the snapshot is or how large the virtual machine is, depends how quick this is. But normally it's quite quick. And there we go, it's done. So then if we go back to our console, to our terminal, and then we do sudo apt update just to see, and we can see we should have 65 updates there. And there we go, 65 updates we need to do again, and we can run them updates again if we want to. So that's the basic use of snapshots. It's a very basic video, but it's just to show you that why you should use snapshots when pretty much it's a good idea to do it on if you're installing something, or if you're upgrading something, or if you're making a change to the virtual machine, or it's a really good idea to run a snapshot first. It doesn't take long to do, and it could get you out of a lot of trouble. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and if it does help you and it helps one person, I'm glad I made this video, just leave a thumbs up. That would be great. Thank you very much, and hope to see you on the next one.